CSX I030, track 1, clear signal St. Dennis, entering MR Peterson's work authority, CSX I030-16 out.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1.
Oh! Conrail / Triple Crown trailer. Nice! I don't know how well it came out of the camera, but hot damn! It was sunrise too. And it's now 6:35 a.m.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 252. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 252. End of transmission.
Yeah, the X Triple Crown has a Conrail symbol on it too. Now, there is a train on track 2. I don't know how I can see it down now. Not sure who that is. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.